Hey guys, Braden here. I got a new interesting package today that I wanted to unbox and set up and see how easy it was to use. I have a new iPhone 11 which doesn't have a headphone jack compared to the iPhone 6 that I had before, and so I can't really use it with my car because it's not Bluetooth, and so I decided to get a Bluetooth transmitter. It's been a while since I looked for these, but the new ones are pretty slick. It just comes in a little tiny package that plugs into the car. And so I got the IMDEN wireless Bluetooth kit. And so I'm going to open it up and see what it's like. Let's go hop in the car and I'll set it up and see how easy it is. Alright, so I got my old phone here because I'm using my new phone to record for the wide angle lens. So let's open up this package and see what it looks like inside. It looks like it's just the adapter that you plug into the car and then an instruction manual. So let's follow the guide and see how it actually says to set this up. It does come with a built-in microphone, so you can use it as for calls as well, so that's pretty cool. Instruction manual. Plug the FM transmitter into your vehicle's cigarette lighter port. The 3 LED display will indicate the voltage of the car battery for 5 seconds. Then the device turns into a wireless pairing mode. LED screen displays BT, follow the FM frequency tuning instructions, and wireless pairing instructions. Alright, so let's plug this in. Alright, let's turn on the power to my car. Get this out of the way. So now it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. So I'm going to open this up. Searching for a device. Let's see if it pops up. There it is. And it is connected. So I think I read online if it pulls a voltage lower than 12, then it won't work properly. So now we are in Bluetooth pairing mode. It looks like it's connected on my phone still. New card. So I have my car set to 87.9 as a frequency because there's nothing in my area that has that frequency. And then I think I can just change it on here, maybe? It's still showing BT, so let's reconnect to it and see if that helps. So it's still just displaying BT on here. So I should be wirelessly paired. Still showing BT. I need to press and hold the call button to tune it. So we're going to 87.9. Oh, I missed it. There we go. It looks like it's connected because there's no more static on my car stereo. So let me just pull up some royalty-free music on YouTube here and play it and see if it works. I guess it's connected and should be ready to go. I think it's working awesome. So that's cool. So far so good. If I have any troubles in the future, I'll let you guys know. So it has two USB ports, so you can plug in your phone as well and charge it. And if you have music on a USB drive, you can plug that in as well, which is pretty cool. So that's it. So far so good. One thing I did want to know is if I turn off my car, it'll disconnect. And if I'm playing a song on my phone, there we go. And now if I turn this on, will automatically play on there. It doesn't look like it's automatically switching to that, which I don't know why it's not. There we go. Let's try this one more time. So we're playing on the phone. Turn on the car so the Bluetooth will connect. There we go. Automatically switched over. And then if I turn this off, will it stop on here? It does have a definite delay, which could affect things. So it pauses on here when it recognized the device was not found. So that'll affect things, but overall, I think this should be a really good option to use with my phone or other people's phone when they're in my car. Thumbs up for now, and I'll update you if anything else changes on that.